Hi everyone, we just finished Isaac's third lesson. It's his third week of playing, and what a breakthrough he had today in incorporating hands together on a simple song, on the song Little Jonathan. I want you to have a look now at what happened last week versus what happened this week. Yes!
Missed one.
That's okay.
That was better.
Unbelievable. That's huge. How did you do it?
I practiced in the car a little bit on tapping on the wheel.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, just tapping differently. So doing this and this.
And was there a moment that it clicked, or was it just a little bit every day it got better?
It got kind of both. It got better every day, but there was a few times that you have to kind of practice the shift up and down.
Yep.
But yeah, it was gradual. It was gradual, but it was a better click sometime. I don't know.
Awesome. And you said you practiced every other day for
Every other day
minutes,
for like
more?
25 minutes. Just I planned for 15, but I didn't leave until I made further mistakes. So it made me repeat a few times.
So, you saw what happened there. I'm not paying attention to his technique of the right hand. I'm sure that if he was to hold his right hand a little bit nicer, the song will get better. What I am paying attention to is how his hands are able to do different things. His right hand is starting to detach from his left hand. What we're going to do next week is concentrate on the dynamics of playing, how to play more legato or staccato, softer and quieter as well. And we're going to try and do an papa rhythm on the left hand, a waltz, on the same song, on the song Little Jonathan. We started to try it this week, but he was having some trouble. So his exercise for next week is to do those tapping exercises. Just hit it without the fingers. Bum,
Right.
bum, bum, boom, bum, bum. Good. Bum, 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 bum. Yes. Where it's a waltz and trying to fit in notes of different lengths with his right hand. But again, super proud of Isaac. This is something that for sure you can expect after 3 weeks of playing, after 3 weeks of practicing. And again, we hear from Isaac that what he's doing is he's able to practice every other day for about 20 minutes. I asked him after the lesson, if he was to practice every day, do you think that 10 to 15 minutes would be enough? And he said yes, even less than 15 minutes. So a little bit of practice every day goes a really, really long way. Isaac is married, he has kids, he has work. He needs to watch Netflix at the end of the day, but he was telling me that he practices every day before bed, after everyone's gone to sleep. He slips off into the living room and practices quietly. So I hope that this is inspiring for you, wherever you are in your learning journey, to keep at it. Thank you.